Okay, this is the display for the Faraday pail. We are using Pasco, and what I've done is I have gotten and set this up, gone to here, put the charge sensor into the analog input part of the Pasco, and then connected it to my computer. Several of you have used this before through the silver cable. The silver cable comes to the back of the interface, and you can see the charge sensor there. The charge sensor has split between the inside and the outside of the Faraday cage. Faraday cage there shows that's separated. It's on a plastic stand. Plastic is a good insulator. The cage is made out of metal, good conductor. So what we're going to do is I'm going to show you what I'm going to work on here, and then be able to show you on the display. So there are two different types of conducting materials. We have a charging plate and a plastic and a metal plate. So the plastic is blue, the charging plate is in the middle. It's kind of a little furry substance, and the other one you can see far left is metal. Metal, you can see kind of it's a little bit shiny. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to set this up to have the charging plate, and I'm going to charge with the blue, and we're going to see what happens on the display. So first of all, I've got to zero it out. See, that's about at 0. Then with the charging plate, I'm going to use the plastic. It's kind of hard to do this with one hand. Rub it together and charge. So now I'm going to take this blue material and I'm going to just set it inside of it. And hopefully you can see that that is causing a charge to be induced within the object. It's out. Now it's inside. Now I'm not touching. Okay, and so when I remove this, you can see that that overall inducing of charge between the inside and outside of the Faraday pail goes to 0. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this and we're going to touch the inside of the pail. Okay, and so what do you think is going to happen? Okay, I've touched that, come over here, and note that I took that out, and let's see what it reads. And so you can see that the charge there is staying because I've placed charge on the inside of the pail, and now we have a charge differential between the inside and the outside of the pail. So that's with the plastic. Note the direction that that's being applied. I'm going to pause this for a second and set up the next part.